Yeah, I think just kind of what we just said in the last couple slide decks. If you choose a optimum temperature that works for you and your vapor pressure deficit, and you don't have to run the compressor as long, you save energy. I mean, the correlation is directly there. Bigger size units, bigger size chillers, bigger size air conditioners use more energy. It is that simple. That a imbalance on the temperature relative to the size of the unit and demands will have the direct impact on your operational costs. And obviously, it had already an impact on your capex expenditures because you bought more equipment. And so these are really important to understand, and it actually now makes sense why the Massachusetts utilities are saying, let's look at this thing, because if we size the right equipment for the right temperature and get the operational, it is a win-win-win across the spectrum. And the utilities are trying to say, let's talk about it and help each other as we look at this increasing energy consumption demand happening in each of the states that bring cannabis on board.